All right, guys. So I haven't put up anything in a while. I'm out here today to finish off my trailer, so it's ready for when I go to pick up my new side-by-side. Last week or the week before, I went ahead and got some angle iron, and I went ahead and fabricated my ramps. So this is for one side. So today I'm going to finish it up by getting them placed basically like so on the trailer. So they'll act as like a, I don't know, a sidewall for the trailer. So I got a couple little mechanisms I need to fabricate so it stays in place while traveling, and then get them painted, and then I can check the box off on the trailer is one of the things I needed to get done before I got a side-by-side. All that's left after that is sell my John Boatin trailer to make room in my storage unit for it, because I can't keep my side-by-side out here. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll get to working on this and kind of give you highlights, I guess. Yeah. All right, guys, so what I've done here is I welded this tab in here that I've got a hole. This is the assembly I welded in there, so I just welded a nut to the back side of this plate to accept this eye bolt. I could have drilled and tapped a hole, but I didn't want to buy any taps, and so this is just really kind of a budget way of tapping, or a lazy way if you want to call it that, of tapping a hole. And then I got it welded in there with a square butt groove weld with about 1/8 of an inch gap on each side, so I was able to really dig that wire down there deep to get a good bite on the trailer and on the piece. But I'm going to go ahead and weld this one on the other side there, and then get to fitting the ramps up on the side to get my final piece lined up and welded out, and then locate and drill the hole to the ramp. So that's next. Finish welding this out, and then fit and form the ramps to the sides. Alright, guys, sorry about the wind. Nothing I can do about that, but I can check the box on the trailer. It's ready to go. I just took it out on a 5-mile road test, make sure the brakes work, make sure the ramps are staying in place. Kind of showed you how I fabricated that. I put a plate with a nut right here that this screws down in there, and then up front here it attaches to this front rail. Not really attached, it's just up against it, and it's retained in place by that angle. Same thing on the other side. So trailer's done. That's one thing off the checklist before I buy the side-by-side. So now I gotta wait to haul it. So the trailer's done. So what did we do? We replaced the jack, replaced 5 tires, built the ramps, and built them in such a way I stow them as sidewalls on the trailer. So all I need to do now is sell a John boat, and once that's out of my hair, I can pull the trigger on the side-by-side. I'll post a video on that. But so the trailer project's done. Take care, guys.